Good morning, Principal Ma'am, Surekha Ma'am, and all the teachers present here. The 9th standard have prepared a small performance and have written a poem to show the passion with which every teacher teaches and the hardships they are facing in the present situation due to the coronavirus.
She was fierce. She was resilient. Her love and care pressed magnificence. A universal angel to all, leaving no child behind. That's what defines a teacher divine. But one day, terror drawn upon humanity, shattering all of man's vanity. A small foe, yet so distressing. It shadowed all our lives with its menacing.
Today, the pencils were unused and the scissors stayed nice and sharp. But everywhere else, things seemed to be falling apart. The world went on turning as people stayed in their homes, but classrooms stayed empty. Silent stayed the morning bell's tone.
The children didn't get to hug their teachers. They never got to enjoy their picnics again. They didn't learn reading, writing, or how to factorize tens. Her spirit unwavering, her gentle smile propelled them another mile. Her chirping voice quelled the while. To her children, she was the lifeline. That's what defines a teacher divine.
The teacher buckled up and turned on her screen, an eagerness to learn, determined and keen. For she wanted to once again teach her students with devotion, once again wanted to nurture unseen emotions. They began with a vision to change the world, but now are bewildered by the computer world. They dreamed to change the lives of millions, but are now stuck with problems a billion.
And slowly, as Zoom became the classroom, the pencils replaced by keyboards, even in the times of doom, the optimism of the students was restored.
As the teachers took their hand and led the way, the students passing through the medley of confounded days, the art classes, PE periods, and informal sessions. As her chirping voice quelled the while, her eyes swimming with impressions.
He will rise, nascent and delicate, invigorated to expiate. When you will steady our shivers through your undaunting vigor, we will come out just fine. That's what defines a teacher's divine. In all these confusion, teachers have learned something new. Devices are not all vices, they are of great help too.
Even in these trying times with the coronavirus, our loving teachers continue to teach and inspire us. This pain may be unbearable, but it's just temporary. Things will revert back to the ordinary. With teachers teaching with utmost passion, with chalk in her palm and a heart with compassion. Her eyes will shine with a smile sublime. That's what defines a teacher divine.
Once said, the influence of teacher extends way beyond the classroom, far away into the future. Today, we are living with the truth of the statement. Greeting dear teachers, it's us, your students, and today we would like to express something.
When this virus closed down our school 5 months ago, we never got to say proper goodbyes. To the school benches, to the fresh whiffs of the canteen's delicacies, to our friends, and most importantly, to you.
Nothing was certain, nothing was decided. But while we passed our summer days cooped up inside the house, missing everything, you all buckled up like superheroes and entered our world, the world of technology.
And you did such a wonderful job conquering it. With hope in your eyes and smiles on your faces, you kept our spirits high up the entire summer.
The pandemic was a wall of fear. We sat with the adults around us and wondered about health, economy, employment, and what not. But With your art projects and counseling sessions, we never lost hope.
And yes, the beginning of online school, the smile on our faces, your constant reassurance, and your efforts to make this as realistic as physical school.
Yes, the beginning of online school, the smile on your faces, your constant reassurances, and your efforts to make this as realistic as physical school. The weekly assembly videos, the PE sessions, the teaching from our school classrooms.
They say blood is thicker than water, but the love that you have established with us is the love that we will never forget. And we know that at times we might seem bored or uninterested, and at times we take this for granted.
We will always appreciate and look up to you. After 20 years, when we recite these terrible tales of terrible times, with the glimmer in our eyes, shall we tell the wondrousness of our teachers. So today, we pledge to keep our cameras on in class.
We pledge to help you and support you.
We pledge to never make you feel alone.
We pledge to always stay positive.
We pledge to never make fun of anyone with lesser knowledge of technology.
We pledge to always answer punctually.
We pledge to become better humans by following the values that you have given us.
Pledge to be on our best behavior.
Most importantly, we pledge to never let you feel disrespected. Times have been tough, but you have always been there by our side. You are our role model, our lifeline, our superhero.
Happy Teachers Day.
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 Happy Teachers' Day!